Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure the phone can run NFC reliably. Turn off battery saver and do not disturb so background services won't be restricted. Next, go to Settings, Connected Devices, Connection Preferences, and toggle NFC off then on to force a quick reinitialize. This often fixes transient issues. Once done, enable Show System Apps in App Settings so you can access the NFC system service in the next step and clear its temporary data if needed. You'll now clear the NFC service data to remove corrupted state. Open Apps, enable Show System Apps, find NFC or Near-Field Communication Service, then Storage and clear cache. If issues persist, clear data as well to reset settings. Make sure to unpair any Bluetooth or NFC accessories and remove stored payment credentials temporarily to avoid conflicts. Once that's done, reboot the phone so the operating system re-registers the NFC driver and service cleanly. This often restores normal. You finish by verifying functionality. Use a known working NFC tag or an NFC reader app to confirm reads and writes. If the tag still won't read, try wiping the cache partition from recovery mode or resetting network settings to refresh radios and related services. These are less destructive than a full reset. If all else fails, back up your data and perform a factory reset. This eliminates software corruption. Tip: if you get intermittent reads, test multiple tags and cases to rule out hardware or case interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.